wind now. Anthony have a good target. Hold the ball. Between the balls. Well done. Anthony. Well done. Now have excellent target. Well done. One more. 40 seconds. Hold the ball. Anthony, you didn't make the record. You have to push. Yeah, for the record. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 13. Come on, one more. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20. Come on, more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Come on, more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hurrah, well done. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Anthony hold the ball by backhand grip and hold the ball on the bat. Well done.